Alright, so we're going to see if we can get these geese to let us see how beautiful they are on the water. I don't know if I can get them. I got this long stick. And there they go. Alright guys. Oh, they're going back and forth from me here. Alright guys. Go out and go for a swim. It's okay. Go for a swim. There you go. Go for a swim. Yeah, well, look. There they go. Oh my God, they've accepted the platform. Oh, this is making my day. I wondered how to feed these geese. Figures it out. Look at that. Oh, let me go. Oh, that's so beautiful. Yay, goosies! You can go pick some greens if you want to, do some grading. Wow, that is my menagerie. And they've accepted it. I mean, I'm just like tickled. Wow, the heavens are smiling on me. Wow, look at this. They know to break sport. They know sport's the protector. Okay, bye for now. Say bye, Lola.